welcome to practice today. Today's practice will just simply be a chat and stretch and move our bodies. So feel free to do some of the stuff that I'm doing, or feel free to just show up and do what you want for your own body. We are uniquely designed, and so what I need for myself today may be different than what you need, but I just wanted to hang out with you. So let's begin. Always incorporating our breath. So make sure that you're breathing on purpose as we do this. I'm actually gonna start out on a tabletop pose. And as I stretch, let's just chat. So I've been talking to a lot of people, and it seems as if change is happening in a lot of people's lives, and it's a lot right now. I'm even experiencing some change myself. In the ways of professional and personal. Oh, I love an upward dog into a child's pose. So I even think of this, right? Like we're changing positions and postures. So yoga helps me because it helps me understand that change is inevitable. Our bodies are changing every single day. Our cells are replacing each other. Our skin, our gut lining actually replaces itself as well. So change is always happening. But why is it so hard for others and not as hard for others? Well, I think of it as the aspects of surrendering to the flow of life and what life is giving us. So when I think about the change that's arriving in my own life, it really centers around my environment. So let's talk about that. I'm having a little bit of home ownership things going on, and it's making me change postures. You see what I did there? Changing postures because I have to do a lot of administrative work. I gotta get some quotes, and these quotes are not cheap, y'all. So it's making me have a different posture, especially when I talk to different sales folks. I have to come with a lot of patience. I also have to be very kind, let's say, even though it's a very challenging and difficult time. I'm having change when it comes to my career. I want to start doing more meditative stuff, more sound bowls. And so that's definitely a learning curve in some aspects. Now, when it comes to learning curves, oh my goodness, gotta be patient with yourself also. Is there change going on in your life? Maybe that's a reflection. As you can see, I need these spinal twists. Now, one of the other things when it comes to change and surrendering to the flow, it's how can you show up as your best self? When something is different, right? Maybe you're starting a new job. Maybe you have, I like to say, like even starting a new job or like move somewhere new. How do we surrender? How do we surrender? Being open. I like to say when I'm open to new experiences, it helps me to shapeshift into that person that maybe life is guiding me to be. Surrendering. I love that. So, just wondering, what type of change are you going through right now? All right, friends, feel free to keep stretching on your own, but this has been close to our 5 minutes. Make sure that you are loving on your body, being a good caretaker, and also like this video. If this was good for you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll catch you on the next video.